Good morning! My name is Jay Tumbocon and welcome sa aking digital marketing seminar. Maiksi lang ito. Babahagi ko lang sa inyo what are the tools na kailangan upang magamit ang digital marketing application sa inyong network marketing business. Number one, kailangan po natin ng Facebook Business Suite. Ito ay kine-create inside your Facebook account. Separate ito sa inyong Facebook personal profile. Ang purpose of this is to promote your business through social media. Okay? Number two, yung FB ads. This is created inside your Facebook business account. Anong purpose? Okay, ang purpose nito is to advertise your business across all meta platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X. No, yung dating Twitter. Now, kung may malaki ka na budget, no, you can advertise your products and your services through TV, radio, billboards, and newspaper. Pero sa katulad natin na medyo maliit lang ang budget natin, pwede tayo mag-promote and mag-advertise ng products and services using the power of social media, no? By Facebook ads. Right? Next is ang Canva design. Dito dinidesign yung mga ads na gagamitin natin to advertise our products and or services. Katulad nito. Okay, this is my Canva design, no? Na pinatakbo ko using Facebook ads. Okay, number 4, yung tinatawag na sales funnels. This is where we capture information ng leads like name, phone number, and email. Dito rin sa sales funnel, dumadaan ang sales process ng customer at ang kanilang sales journey. Depende kung paano mo ito i-design. No? And sa totoo lang, meron pa pang dagdag. No? Meron pang dagdag na basic copywriting techniques. No? Lahat yan ituturo ko po for free para po sa inyong pag-network. No? So, if you're interested, join my free webinar. At doon, ika-clarify ko and I will answer all your questions. Okay? So, select ka lang ng date kung kailan ka available. Thank you and I will see you live.